Hello everyone, I'm Sada. So actually, I just met with an accident. Underwent 7 surgeries. Many doctors claim that I have a food drop, and they strictly told that they can't help me for maybe 2 or 3 years. तब तक मेरा पैर उठने का कोई चांस नहीं है. Then I got to know about Bosch. वन ऑफ माई रिलेटिव शी वर्क्स ओवर हियर, तो उनके थ्रू मुझे पता चला. तो आई थॉट आई विल जस्ट गिव अ शॉट. उससे पहले भी आई वाज गोइंग अंडर फिजियो, बट वो होम केयर फिजियो कर रही थी मैं. शी जस्ट पुट लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स बट आई कुडंट फाइंड एनी रिजल्ट्स. तो देन मुझे पता चला बॉश के बारे में. देन आई जस्ट केम हियर. The service, everything, it felt as if, they just gave me deadlines and they verbally told me कि इतना टाइम तक तुम्हारा इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा. They also told me कि कितनी देर तक मेरा कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट भी हो सकता है. Okay, the doctors over here are damn friendly. It is like, it is just like home care service लेने से अच्छा आप वॉश में आ जाओ. It is more like a home care to you, very cozy, comfortable, and people over here are very 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 easy and free and movable. कि आपको जो भी complain है, if you tell नहीं I have pain, so they in a way motivate you. So many doctors maybe they will just give you service और आपको बोलेंगे you're done for the day, but यहाँ पे they motivate you. They help you out with many other ways. I was also facing many mental illness problem after the accident. I was traumatized, but over here the way they elaborate, the way they explain about what part is damaged and uska kaisa ye exercises kar rahe hain and all that. And they just they, more than using equipments on me, they wanted me to do manually. पहले तो मेरा mindset ऐसा था कि अरे यार ये manually कर रहे हैं, मेरा पैर हिल भी नहीं रहा, how is it even possible? To be honest, the doctors over here, they just helped me out doing manually. Just because I have inflammation, they couldn't add many equipments on me, but manually karakar my food drop, to be honest, you can see I had a proper drop over here, but abhi it is not that dropped. My leg is not that drooping around. Okay, so I couldn't even move my fingers. Now I can I can lift my leg. This thing is like a huge achievement for me by itself, because doctor had gave up on me. I couldn't bend my leg, so my knee was completely stiff. So all this, it just worked it out on me, especially because ये personal experience से मैं बोल रही हूँ. because मैंने I had gone to many other doctors. उन्होंने clearly बोल दिया था कि 2-3 years तक don't think about keeping your leg. It is that huge, it is that, मतलब undergoing 7 surgeries is not a joke. फिर इन लोगों ने मुझे comfort किया, इन लोगों ने मुझे पूरा manually कराया है. I had no hope that I am going to lift my leg. So they did it by themselves, they just cheered me up. अगर से मैं अभी खड़ी भी हो रही हूँ, then the credit goes to the Almighty, and then it goes to the doctors over here. To be honest, the experience over here is amazing. The results मैं बात करूँ तो results are amazing. So I just want you guys to have come to Bosch and अपने आप खुद से देख लीजिए. मैं तो बस अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ. Until and unless you don't come and experience, you will not get the results. So you have to try Bosch.